Hey, thanks for joining us. We picked up one of these little characters called Grumblies. Some kind of little weird character. It says, this one's called Bolt. Seems there's 3 others. Let's see what they do. Try me. Poke my belly. Uh-oh. Battery's down on this one. We'll have to replace that. Okay, well it says it takes 3 AA batteries. I guess we'll take it apart and start playing with it. Alright, let's open the box it's in and see what it does here. Pull that apart. Opens up. Got some wire ties on it. We'll cut them off. Okay, you have a couple little screw downs. Just unscrew those. There he is. Weird looking little thing, isn't he? There's where your batteries go. We got to replace those. Here's your instructions. Telling you what he does. It says he burps, he giggles, passes gas, growls, goes into meltdowns. There's where your batteries are. Let's replace those batteries and see what he does. Here's some new ones. Right here. Whoa! Takes off immediately, doesn't he? Let's see what we can make him do. Uh-oh. Push his button on the belly. Uh-oh. Do it. Let's see. Noisy little fella, isn't he? Oh, that didn't work. Oh. Oh. Oh, I think he's in a meltdown. Look at him go. Whoops. Oh. Has a gas problem, doesn't he? Purple. There's 3 others like this too, different colors. Oh, he's in a meltdown. his hair out of his eyes here. Oh, he's in a meltdown again. Let him sit for a minute. I think he'll go to sleep. Yep, he snores, doesn't he? Alright, we got a lot more of these videos coming. If you like this, please like and subscribe. Leave us a comment and let us know what you think about it. Till the next video, we'll see you next time.